for this. So let's hear your questions for our cast. Handa na ba ang lahat? Ay, parang hindi pa. Guys, handa na ba ang lahat? Thank you so much. And now, our first question for Michael and Zephanie. You were once paired and are now back together for this project. How did it feel to reunite and work together again? Nakakarinig ako ng mga kilig-kilig from around the cast. So how did it feel to work together again?
Personally, super na-excite po ako na nung nalaman ko na I will be working with Michael again. It's been parang a year after nung nag-work kami for Sparkle You. And I know na both of us parang went on our own path na I'm sure nag-grow kami individually. And now I'm just so excited to see kung ano yung naging growth namin. And nakakamiss kasi di ba pag yung mga kaibigan mo, makaka-work mo ulit.
Nakakamiss,
So,
yes.
I'm really, really happy. Ikaw ba? Masaya ka ba?
Miss you too. It's been a while, you know. I mean, it was, I think almost 2 years na tayo nagka-work talaga. And, I mean, we had a good run sa Sparkle U, and I appreciate the network for entrusting us with a very special show. I mean, Born to Shine, as you guys can see from sa AVP, it's a very, very well-produced show about a story about dreaming. And the story revolves around the perspective of Zeph's character, si Jenny. And dito makikita nyo yung story na pangarap niya. And natutuwa ako because this is a reunion project for us. And I can really see that from Zeph. I mean, she was one of the first people I met here sa Philippines, and unang na-notice ko sa kanya, hinahabol niya ang pangarap niya. So the show, feeling ko it's meant for you kasi you're born to shine, Zeph. And I'm just happy to be here to support her on a special project. And you guys can see, she really gave it her all. So please, supportahan niyo ang reunion project namin.
Grabe, Michael. That was such a heartfelt answer. And as they say, absence makes the heart grow fonder. So our next question is for Dina, Manilyn, Tina, Smokey, Roselle, and Tessie. Yes po. Ang question po is, you've inspired so many. For your last question, guys, if you could dedicate one romantic song to each other, what would it be and why?
Hawak mong dito.
Michael, romantic naman
Sorry.
kasi.
Nasa kanya yung beat eh.
Sorry, okay.
Siguro, let's do it this way. If Nate were to offer a song to Jenny. Kasi, I'm excited for you guys to see how the story revolves and expands, especially with Nate and Jenny. Kasi si Jenny parang kahinaan ni Nate eh. Pero if I were to dedicate a song for you, I would say Araw-Araw by Ben and Ben. Kasi araw-araw, nandito ako.
Grabe na po ang kilig sa ating kabilang side. Sample. Isa lang sample dyan, Michael.
Abangan na lang.
May aabangan pa pala tayo.
Ang corny. Nag-iisip pa kasi ako kaya pinapasample kita. Oh my gosh. Aking liwa. Charot. Oh. Sorry. May naalala. Okay, I think... oh wow. Sorry. Singer pero walang maisip na kanta. Meron lang sa utak ko na... Ito lang yung naaalala ko talaga. And this is very personal kasi nung nag-start yung friendship namin ni Michael before, I think this was one of the songs na we actually parang shared with each other.
Yes.
It's day one. Kasi nga both of us nung nagsimula ako sa GMA, kasabay ko rin si Michael. So parang we really had each other noon, parang habang we were getting to know people and other artists and really parang trying to settle here. Yun, talagang nandun kami para sa isa't isa. So, you'll always be one of the day ones! Yes, day one! Yeah. Sana alam niyo yung song na yun. It's,
Pwede ba tayo makinggan ng sample? Kahit napakaikli lang para malaman ng ating audience what day one is.
it's ano eh, parang ano bang, by Honey. You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself. You and no one else. Thankful you're mine.
Alam niya.
Alam niyo yun.
Kay Jenny, mag-usap tayo mamaya.
Nay, magkaibigan lang po kami.
Anak.
Papsi, magkaibigan lang po kami.
Okay, sige.
May makapahamak ko sa mga tanong ko. Pasensya na guys. So ituloy na natin. There you have it mga kapuso! Maraming salamat sa isang makabulahang kwentuhan ngayong hapon. Again, please, to our wonderful cast and to our directors, please invite everyone to catch the world premiere of Born to Shine. Direct, please.
Tulad ng sinabi ni Direk Carlo, kami po lahat ay produkto ng teleserye. I grew up in an environment. Wala namang namimwersa sa aking mga harap. But I grew up with that burning passion, burning desire to achieve things, no? And then I realized, nung matanda na ako, na I got that from teleserye. As in, seryoso. Teleserye ang role models ko nung bata ako sa Nueva Ecija. So I hope that we get to do that for other kids out there. So sana po panoorin niyo yung Born to Shine. Kwento siya nating lahat. Na lagi naman mas madalas natatalo. Pero lagi pa rin tumataya sa mga sarili natin. Ano po ang Born to Shine?
To our veterans, everyone, please.
Maraming salamat.
Hindi po.
Oo.
Tumatagos po ang tingin ko, Tita Tess.
Parang pag tingin ka ng veteran kay Tita Tessie, parang kala mo galing siya sa gera.
Dalhin mo ako sa Veterans Hospital.
Parang sumugod na siya sa gera noong 1940s. Nung tumingin ka. Veteran ng dating.
Pero like I said po, hindi po pansin sa face.
Okay, ikaw
Okay.
muna, tapos ako.
Ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na ako sa lahat ng mga kakalat ng balita na ang Born to Shine ay ipapalabas na ngayong March 23 sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ng dito. Spread the word. Napakagandang teleserye po dito. At sigurado ako maraming tao na kapupulutan nito ng aral. Maraming salamat din sa mga heads ng GMA na nandito na nagbigay ng suporta sa amin at sa lahat ng staff and production crew ng Born to Shine. Maraming salamat po and we can do this. We are meant to Born to Shine.
Alam ko, naghihintay pa ang mga mag-i-interview dyan, kaya iisihan ko na lang. Alam niyo, iba lang, ano po? Delete kayo? Sorry. Hindi. Sa akin, iba ko na lang konti ang perspective, no? Maraming nangyayari sa mundo. Alam natin, mga ligmaan sa tabi-tabi at sa gitna-gitna. Marami tayong problema. Born to Shine, isang liwanag sa dilim. Ayan, na magpapasaya ng ating mga puso. Makakalimutan niyo ang problema niyo. Mula po March 23, 2:30 p.m. Ayan po, Lunes hindi kami hanggang Biyernes. Hanggang Sabado kami, kung pwede nga lang hanggang Linggo. Pero Monday to Saturday, abangan niyo po, Born to Shine.
May sasabihin din daw si Miss Tina Panat.
Basta March 23 po. Pagkatapos na yung show. One by one na po talaga.
Ayan, malapit nyo na po mapanood at malapit na po namin maibahagi sa inyong lahat ang kwento ng mga nangangarap at may pagmamahal, hindi lang sa pamilya, hindi lang sa kaibigan, pero sa lahat ng mga tao na katulad din nila na may pangarap sa puso. Kaya sana po ay suportahan nyo ang Born to Shine. Malapit na po kaming magliwanag lahat. March 23!
Thank you so much, everyone. Before we move forward, let's capture this moment one last time. To our cast and directors, please gather for our final photo op. So everyone, please smile dahil ito ang budyat ng isang kwento na magsisimula pa lang at siguradong tatatak. So maraming salamat mga kapuso. Muli, abangan ang isa na namang kwentong punong-puno ng pangarap ang Born to Shine. Mondays to Saturdays at 2:30 p.m. after its showtime simula March 23. Global Pinoys can also catch the program via GMA Pinoy TV. Also available on Kapuso Streams, gmanetwork.com/GMA Play, and the GMA Play app. Download now on Google Play and App Store. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. Talaga namang dreams shine brighter when shared. Kaya naman nais din nating pasalamatan ang mga taong nagbahagi ng kanilang panahon at oras para sa celebration na ito. Di lang tayo nabusog sa mga kwento, kundi pati na rin sa mga sarap na pagkain inihanda ng ating mga generous sponsors. K121 Ice Cream and Cones, CC Cafe, Pop-Up Bow, Jam House of Sushi, Unique to Pop, Lineworks Life Size Letters and Decors. We would also like to thank our partners, GMA New Media Inc., for bringing us live to our Kapuso online family, and GMA Playlist, our official music partner, for making today even more special. It has truly been an inspiring afternoon. We've witnessed voices that shine, stories that move, and dreams that remind us why